Do you like sugar scrubs? How about something that smells delicious? I'm going to show you how to make a root beer float sugar scrub. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of LuckyDogCreations. So in order to make this sugar scrub, we need 1/2 cup coconut oil at room temperature, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, and then I have this drink packet of A&W root beer, and depending on the smell I may use 1 or 2 of these, 10 to 15 drops of vanilla essential oil. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing that you're wanting to do is take your 1/2 cup coconut oil. If your coconut oil is not at room temperature or it's still a little bit stiff, you can pop it in the microwave for just a couple of seconds until it softens up. You don't want it melted, but you don't want it rock hard either. And this feels like it's going to be pretty easy to mix up. Next, take your 1/4 cup sugar and dump that in on top of the coconut oil, and then go ahead and mix that. And I'll go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. So that looks mixed up fairly well. You want to make sure, of course, that you're going to have some grit into the sugar because that's going to exfoliate your skin. I will leave a list of the benefits in the description down below. Then I'm going to take a package of the A&W drink mix and dump that in there, and I'm going to stir that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and smell it to see if it's going to smell enough like root beer or whether I'll have to add a second one or not. I know it's not going to be a very pretty color, but it will smell good. So I am not really smelling any root beer smell yet. Next I'll add the 1 teaspoon of the vitamin E oil, which will make it a little bit more wet. So maybe the smell will come out a little bit more. I made sugar scrubs before, but I've never made a root beer one. It just sounded like a nice smelling sugar scrub. So we'll see if it turns out. All right, it's starting to smell a little bit more like root beer, but I am going to add another drink mix. I also think that after it sits for a while and gets mixed in with the sugar and the vitamin E oil, the smell might come out a little bit more, I'm hoping. So I'm going to add 10 drops of the vanilla essential oil. And give that a mix. It's all mixed up. I'll put it in a jar. This is an 8-ounce jar. I'm hoping that it will fill that. Otherwise, I might have to switch to a 6-ounce jar. I think it's going to fit though. Almost looks like one of those mud masks. All right, so here is the root beer float sugar scrub. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty creamy, kind of the color of a mud mask, but that is the root beer drink mix that is the color. And we'll go ahead and just put some on, and you'll want to feel the sugar, the grittiness of the sugar, which I can feel. But I also feel that it is nice and smooth on my skin. which is going to help my skin feel nice and soft. It has a little bit of a root beer smell, mostly the vanilla. I should have cut back a little bit on the vanilla, but even then I don't know if the A&W root beer would have smelled too much. It was worth a try. It does smell good. I've made these sugar scrubs before in other scents, so I know the sugar scrubs are good. They work well. I just rinsed it off. It feels so smooth. So if you like this video and would like to see others like it, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are all welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.